Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Sangeeta's Bonsai and Terrariums. And today the plant that we are going to talk about is the Chlorophytum or the spider plant. Wonderful house plant and difficult to go wrong with it. So very good if you are a beginner to gardening. And in the video we are going to see how you can take care of it and how do you propagate or make many out of one plant. So we get right into it. Okay, so friends, this plant, the Chlorophytum, it gets these pups start growing on the stems, and this is what we can use to propagate. And very easy to do it. There are two ways how you can propagate or grow many and make many new plants. One is in the soil and one is in water. I'll show you how to grow it in the soil, in the water. This is the plant. There are roots coming in. You could just take a small cutting of it. Can you see this? There are roots over here, and simply place it into the water and leave it. I'll just show you. I had put this plant in water a few days back and the roots have started coming in. Change the water every 4-5 days and it will take care of itself. The other method of propagating is of growing it in the soil. Take a cutting of the pup. Yes, with the shoots. Put it in the soil. Nice well-drained soil. Place it in. Press it. And there it goes. It's ready. Water it. That's it. Okay. The difference between the two of growing in water and in the soil is only one, that if you want a plant to grow fast, put it in the soil. But if you want to enjoy and see it grow, because when it's in water you can see the roots growing, and so you can grow it in water. Both the ways it will work well. So one more method of propagating, what I do is the pup, when it comes out, I put it in the soil without cutting it, and once it has taken up the root, the plant has taken up the roots, and then you can cut it. So this ensures that the plant will definitely grow and not die. So when the pup is growing, simply put it in the soil. Do not cut the stem, let it grow, and you can cut it once it has taken the roots. That's one way of assuring. The care for this plant is very minimal. It needs to be placed in a bright area. By bright I mean that it gets daylight and not direct sunlight. If you put it in direct sunlight, the leaves will start burning. So place it where there is bright daylight, and it needs good water. But let it dry in between watering. But when you water it well, so that the water comes out from the bottom. That's it. Friends, spider plant looks wonderful as a hanging plant also because of these pups coming out. So if you want to hang it, go ahead and hang it also. You could just place it in water and create something like this to add life to any corner of your house. Friends, I hope this video was useful, and if you try it, do let me know, and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos and hit the bell icon for future notifications. Have a good day and happy gardening.